Hey, just got a message that my bike is ready, so I'm gonna go pick it up here at Sirius Cycles and gonna go for a ride in downtown Plymouth. Hey, so we made it down to the Jenny Gristmill area, and wow, is it pretty down here for sure. Remember my mom used to take me here when I was a little kid, run around, feed the ducks. Of course, you're not supposed to do that anymore, but great memories here, and it's the most perfect day. Wow, what a really beautiful day. It's great to be able to drive around downtown Plymouth on your bike and enjoy this awesome view. It's just spectacular. Hey, and now it's time for lunch, and I've never been to Angelo's roast beef, but I'm going today. Hey, how you doing? Ever want to eat outside in downtown Plymouth? You go down these stairs. It's actually directly across from Angelo's. And yeah, what a great view of the harbor. Completely and absolute free. And a nice private place where you can have lunch, quick sandwich, and off we go. Hey, so Richard, Renee, thanks for lunch. Great sandwich. Highly recommend it. Thank you. Wow, that was a great lunch break. Thank you, Seth, for fixing my bike, and hope you got out and enjoy this awesome day. See ya.